In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first Google Sheet. We'll keep this simple and stress-free so you can be up and running in just a couple of minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Sheets homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Sheets home dashboard. Here, you'll typically see a row of templates at the top, and below that, any recent spreadsheets you've opened. If this is your first time, the recent files area may be empty, and that's totally fine. Just make sure you're signed into the correct account by checking the profile icon in the top right corner. A stable internet connection is important because Google Sheets saves your work to the cloud as you go. Now, you have two straightforward ways to begin. If you want complete control and a clean slate, choose the blank option. It's usually represented by a white tile with a plus sign. Click it, and a new spreadsheet opens instantly. You'll see a grid of cells organized into columns and rows. This is your canvas for data. At the top, you'll notice the file name area and a small indicator that shows your changes are saved automatically. You can start typing right away, and there's no need to manually save because Google Sheets does that for you in the background. This is the best route when you have a custom layout in mind or you're just exploring. If you prefer a head start, select a template instead. On the home page, look for the template gallery. When you open it, you'll find ready-made designs for common needs like budgets, calendars, and project trackers. Click any template to open it, and it loads with sample labels, formulas, and formatting. Templates are great because they provide structure. You can swap in your own data and remove anything you don't need. If you're unsure which to choose, consider the task you're tackling and pick the template that closely matches it. You can always open multiple templates to compare and decide which feels most comfortable. That's it. Going to Google Sheets and choosing either a blank spreadsheet or a template is all you need to begin. From here, you're ready to experiment, add your information, and explore features at your own pace. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your first Google Sheet.